So here's how to fix Roblox error code 268, which means you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior. So first what you can do is open the command line. For example, open the Windows, click on the Windows icon and then search for CMD, then right click run as admin. For Windows 11 you can use the terminal, which is if you right click on the Windows icon and then click terminal admin, which is pretty much the same thing. Now it should look like this. Now in this command line you will need to type the following commands: ipconfig space /flush DNS, press enter, and then ipconfig space /release, and then press enter. Now the last command we will need to run is ipconfig space /renew, press enter, wait for it. Now you can simply try to launch Roblox and see if that solves the issue. You can also right click Roblox and run as admin. And if you're still experiencing the issue, what you can do is do a clean reinstall of Roblox by simply uninstalling Roblox, right click on Windows icon, installed apps, and then in here search for Roblox. Now you can simply click on the three dots next to the player, Roblox player, click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall again and confirm to start uninstalling Roblox. You can also uninstall the old version if you still have it, and as well as the studio if you don't need it. And then what you can do is close this, and then right click on the Windows icon, click on run, and in here type %local update press OK, and find and delete Roblox folder in here, which is this one. Right click and delete it. Then you can close this and go back to the browser, and then go to roblox.com/download, and then click on download Windows app. Now once the app is downloaded, you can double click it or run it as admin to start installing. You can also install Roblox from the Microsoft Store by simply searching for Roblox and then click on it, and simply click on Get button here to start downloading it, and that should generally fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.